someone that trains a lot of software engineers, the one, I guess, thing that I'll dispel that I think people just intuitively think that when they hear about AI and they think about tools, they think that software engineering is going to like go away or be supplanted by robots and machines. And the reality is, the ecosystem is so diverse, and there's such a variety and array of different specialized tools that there's always going to be a place for people that are making the tools, right, and making the AI. And so it really boils down to, when you think about low code and no code solutions and platforms, is it the right tool for the job, right? And in many cases, as a software engineer, I want to build solutions, and so the solution may involve writing some code, or it may involve leveraging something that we can just buy versus like building it ourselves, or some combination of those things. So I think from the outside, when people think about, is it a waste of my time to learn this, or are these tools valuable, I would say they run the gamut. Some are going to be super valuable, and others are going to be limited in how you can apply that particular tool to certain set problems. And so on the NFT front, there's always a pet rock, right? There's always something that's like the exciting fad, and it gets people like interested, right? And so I'm sure if you were an entrepreneur in I don't know if that was the 1970s, and you could swing selling someone a rock, like you're a rock star, right?
It's easy when I think.
But these days, that's kind of how I think of some of the applications of like blockchain and crypto. I think a lot of it is faddish, and there's opportunities, but I think the underlying technology is really interesting and has some amazing use cases that will drive efficiency and all sorts of really great ways of using it in like supply chain and to solve really hard problems. But my thoughts about like investing in a monkey is kind of like investing in like a baseball card. Sure, it's gonna have some value to some people. So like if that's your jam, get after it, right? Figure it out. There's lots of interesting ways that you could leverage that, be creative, and use some of that creativity to generate a business. But it is kind of like pet rock.